What you're looking at there is the antenna for our reference station. That's a Topcon dual choke ring with a radome, and what it does is it just sits there and records satellite information and says here I am, here I am, here I am, lots of times, to the computer down in the server room that outputs the here I am data to, I believe it's a model CR3 Topcon antenna. It's RG58 cable coming out of it, not RG58. There's RG8 cable coming out of the bottom of it that hooks into the receiver that's in a cabinet inside of the office.
And does the cable go underground to get inside, or how?
Definitely.
You got a conduit?
Conduit underground. Okay. It's all run. It actually comes up. We drilled a hole through the slab to punch it into the building. So we went underneath the sidewalk with it.
And during Hurricane Ike, this antenna was up?
This was up and hadn't moved and still sitting, still works, still doing everything like it's supposed to.
I'll rev that up just the air through the wind. All right, good job.
So it's stable as it can get. That pole that it's sitting on, it's about, I don't know, 15 feet up in the air. It's about 8 foot down in the ground. Has 3 batters off of it with steel reinforcing, so it's extremely stable.
Very stable monument.
Very stable, and which is great because the stabler the better.
Right.
So that's the basis of my world here. Is that little with this GR1. Since it's got an internal cellular modem in it, you first have to power it on and start the data connection, which tells it to dial the AT&T service that it's using. So it goes through the process of registering with the network and hooking itself up to the internet. So it's using cellular signal to hook up to the internet, and it takes a little while to do that.